Hello friends, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to run our first Ansible playbook on remaining two servers as well. If you do remember, we have created a file called createusers.yml, right? So let me open this file. Okay, so we are trying to create a user called John over here, and this user doesn't exist on our Amazon Linux system. So here, last user is ANS admin. Similar way, if I go and check here, here also last user is ANS admin. Now we are going to execute this Ansible playbook. Whenever we execute this Ansible playbook, it should be successful on two systems. One system it is going to ignore, that is 140, because it is already there. Let's execute Ansible playbook -i. Why should we need to provide -i? Because I want to create it on the servers which we are having in our current location inventory file. So I'm providing my hosts file followed by create user. Let's execute. You can see here tasks. It has been changed on two systems. Changed nothing but it has been created user. OK means it is already there. This is the advantage of Ansible. If the target system is at a desired level, it is not going to change anything. But if the target system is not at a desired level, it is going to change it. Okay, let's go and see. So both the locations a user called John is available. Okay, but if you want to do the same thing on shell script, you need to write a little bigger code. Now let's understand our Ansible playbook output. If you see here, it is running the playbook on all nodes. Okay, on which nodes? It is running on all nodes. So next one is, we have added only one task so far in our playbook, but you can see here it is running two tasks. If you see here, number of tasks, two it has ran, both are okay, nothing but successful, but among those one has been changed. Next, this also one has been changed, and this system both has executed, nothing has been changed. And if you see here, this gather facts, so gather facts is equal to setup command, nothing but it is going to pull the target system related information. It is going to gather by using the gather facts. Okay, this is the default task which executes on every playbook. And if you see here, OK means it is gathering the information, so you can see always it is OK. Then task, so which task we are running? Next one, that is user task, and whenever there is any change it will come in yellow color. If there is no change, it comes in green color. And if it is changed, you can see the changed, and if it is fine, it is just OK. Next one is play recap, list of the servers which belongs to all. These are the list of the servers which are available in the current host file. And you can see here, OK means number of playbooks are executed, all are fine. Out of them, one has been modified on the target system. Unreachable is 0, failed or 0, skippable, rescued, ignored. Okay, all this information will be there. According to the output, we will take appropriate decision. Now let's execute the same playbook again. Now we'll see what will happen. You can see all are OK, nothing but it is already executed and created this user, nothing to change, so just OK, changed 0, so it is not going to change the target system. All right, now we are going to modify our Ansible playbook little bit, because you can see the task, it is just saying that task I'm executing user, but it doesn't have the clear information. For that purpose, we can add one more statement called name. Name is a statement which will display the information while running our Ansible playbook. Name is a statement which will display the information while running our playbook. Let's edit our Ansible playbook. Vi create user.yml. Let's add one more statement over here. So I am adding one more statement over here. It should be start from here. Okay, whenever you are starting a new statement, it should starts with minus space name and creating user John. Okay, that is the statement. And this statement is for this module itself, so we need to remove it. So each module should have only one minus. If name statement is already there, user statement doesn't get. Okay, now let's execute. This time you can see here, instead of user, it came as a creating user John. Creating user John. That is how we can make our Ansible output more readable. Okay. Now we can add in one more location, that is at the starting. Okay. Here also, wherever minus is there, there we can add name. This playbook is to create user. Okay. That's it. Now let me execute this playbook again. You can see here earlier whenever you run the play, it was showing as a all, nothing but on all servers I am running the playbook, but this time this playbook is to create a user. Okay, it is giving the appropriate description while executing this particular task. That is how we can modify our Ansible output more readable, and it would be easy to understand. Okay, now we are going to modify one more change to our Ansible playbook. That is, you can see here user module, and if you are specifying your user module information, I mean to say attribute value in the same line, then you can use equal. But if you want to specify in the another line like this, okay, name, like this you want to specify, but name is a attribute of user, so it will be starts from here, name John. Okay, this is how we can change it. If it is in new line, we should use the colon space. Let's save this one and execute it. You can see the same output, nothing will be changed. All right, now let me open the create user, and if we try to recap it what we have done, you can add name statement wherever minus was specified earlier. So immediately to three minuses you can specify the name statement. It will give the information about your playbook what it is doing. And name, host, become, task, all these all are commanded to the same intention. Okay, and whenever it comes to the tasks, so each task will starts with minus, so minus space, and if you want to give some description, then name again we can use, and this statement is not available, this minus will starts for user, but if this statement is available, you don't require the minus over here. So this is how we can do. This is one task. Again, if you want to create one more task, again it starts something like this, minus space. It treats as a different task. All right. And next thing, if you are specifying your attribute value in the same line of your module statement, then you can use equal. If you are using in a followed line, you can use the colon, but these attributes should have the proper indentation. Clear? That's all for this lecture, and see you in the next lecture.